Hi, my name is Brynn with Bay Ridge Animal Hospital and Annapolis Cat Hospital. Everyone who shares a home with his or her animal companion should have a pet first aid kit on hand. Now, you should keep one in your home, but also have one in your car if your pet travels frequently. You can buy a first aid kit that's designed for people and just add pet-specific items to it, or you can get a pet-specific first aid kit from your local pet store or online. Let's go over the pet-specific items first. Have a pet first aid kit book. This book will include information on knowing your pet, poison, snake and insect bites, burns, bone and muscle joint emergencies, hot and cold emergencies, choking, wounds and bleeding, shock, and more. Important phone numbers including your veterinarian, the nearest emergency vet clinic, and poison control. Important paperwork, best kept in a waterproof container or bag. This would include proof of rabies vaccines, copies of other important medical records, and even a current photo of your pet in case he or she gets lost. A nylon leash, a collar with an additional name tag, as well as a harness. You might also opt to include a muzzle or some sort of strips of clothing to use as a muzzle to keep your pet from biting. This as long as your pet isn't coughing, choking, or having any difficulty breathing. Some of the more basic supplies that you can add to your pet first aid kit include a paw tip bandage, better known to us as a knuckle band-aid, a fingertip bandage, a tape roll, trauma pad, gauze pads, examination gloves, instant cold pack, a pair of tweezers, antibiotic ointment, alcohol pads, antiseptic towelettes, leg splints or tongue depressors, cotton tip applicators, an elastic bandage, also known as an ACE bandage, splinter removers, also known as lancets, sting relief pads, and a pair of scissors. Remember, whether you create your own pet first aid kit or buy a pet-specific first aid kit, store this somewhere accessible in the event of an emergency. If you have any questions, contact a veterinarian, and thank you so much for watching.